Transport is an essential part of modern life, but we all know now that it comes with a major cost: increased greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. The drive to embrace clean electric transport turns out to be bigger than anyone was expecting.
Electric transport is going to become much more important than people realized even a few years ago. The growth projections are high and likely to be exceeded. I think every time we see a revision, it tends to be upward.
And with that upward trend and more pressure on electric power grids comes an increased importance of digital connectivity.
As we see more and more electric cars on the roads, there'll be a lot of opportunity for data analytics and connectivity to kind of enable more coordinated charging of these cars.
With the increasing power levels of the chargers, the connection to the grid becomes more and more important. So the chargers must communicate to each other to make sure that the total amount of energy which is used by all chargers at one location does not exceed a certain level. And also here, this is enabled by ABB Ability.
ABB Ability is the company's suite of digital offerings, and it means that ABB charging infrastructure is backed up by cutting-edge connectivity, as here in the Netherlands.
Fastnet is a charging company, and what we do is we build a network of fast charging stations throughout Europe. The ABB chargers that we currently buy are just the most reliable ones in the market. We get that feedback from our customers, we get that feedback from other users, and we're very happy with them. The good thing from the ABB backend is that you can look into the charger, you can resolve some issues. Of course you can't resolve all of them, but we can resolve 99 or 95% of all regular issues from a few hundred kilometers of distance. And if a customer calls in and you can help him in this way in 1 or 2 minutes, or maybe even less, the impact on the customer experience is huge.
And we go green in Marrakesh, it's a good start.
That digital expertise is one of the key planks of ABB's partnership with Formula E motor racing. But whether you're flying around the track in an electric race car or just nipping to the shops in your hybrid, it's that conjunction of charging infrastructure with grid connectivity that's likely to drive the dam brake for e-mobility.
Sustainable developments and climate change are, of course, for us the driving force to do all this. We as ABB, we enable that operators and also people can run networks and can drive electric cars, which will at the end bring us a better future.